Good day, ma'am. I am Rizame Tumimangkuchin, and I am the first reporter from Group 4. Our topic for today is additional perspective on marketing channels. Logistic and channel management. Logistics is the critical part of the supply chain, focusing on the efficient flow of goods and information. It involves managing resources like materials, equipment, supplies, and even food and other consumable items. Logistics is the process of efficiently managing the movement and storage of goods, services, and related information from the point of origin to the point of consumption to meet consumer needs. It involves planning, implementing, and controlling the flow of resources to ensure timely and cost-effective delivery. So what are the key activities of logistics? So it encompasses activities like transportation. Transportation means moving goods from one place to another. Second, we have warehousing. Warehousing means storing goods and materials. Next is inventory management. It controls stock levels to avoid storages or overstocking. Next is order processing, handling customer orders and ensuring timely fulfillment. Next is demand planning. Demand planning forecasts future demand and optimize inventory and production. Lastly, we have customer service. So customer service it addresses customer inquiries and resolving issues related to deliveries. So next is rule of logistics. So what is the rule of logistics? The nature of logistics rule is the marketing channel. In the marketing channel is the movement of the right volume of the right goods to the right location at the right time. So we have 6 components of the logistics system. First, we have transportation. Second, materials handling. Third, order processing. Fourth, inventory control. Fifth, warehousing. And sixth, packaging. So first, what is transportation? Transportation is the most basic and evident part of any logistics systems. Transportation plays a crucial role in distribution management by facilitating the movement of goods from one location to another, ensuring on-time delivery and proper handling of products. It involves planning, executing, and optimizing the physical movement of products, often integrated with broader supply chain management system. Effective transportation management aims to minimize cost, improve efficiency, and enhance customer satisfaction. Second, we have material handling. So material handling, this category includes the operations and facilities used in the positioning and transportation of goods in storage area. So what is materials handling? So it is a crucial component of logistics management, encompassing the processes of moving, storing, protecting, and controlling materials and products throughout the supply chain. So the key aspects of material handling in logistics are: first, movement, storage, protection, control. So movement is the material handling involves transporting goods within a facility, between facilities, and for delivery to consumers or customers. Storage, it includes the secure storage of materials in warehouses or other storage areas, ensuring easy access when needed. So next is protection. Protection, proper packaging, and material handling practices are vital for preventing damage during storage and transportation. Lastly, control. Material handling systems also involve tracking and controlling materials to ensure efficient inventory management and minimize waste. So next is order processing. Order processing is a core component of logistics that encompasses all the steps involved in fulfilling customer orders from receiving the order to its final delivery. It includes tasks like order receipt, verification, payment processing, picking and packing, shipping, and tracking. Efficient order processing is crucial for customer satisfaction, and overall supply chain performance. So the key components of order processing in logistics includes order receipt and verification. So this involves receiving the order from the customer and confirming its accuracy and completeness according to RiseUp Labs. Next is payment processing, ensuring the order is paid for the authorizing payment as explained by Candice Transportation. Picking and packing. This involves retrieving the ordered items from storage, packing them securely for shipping according to RiseUp Labs. Shipping and tracking. This involves selecting a suitable shipping method, handling the package over to a courier and tracking its progress until delivery. Order management. This involves managing the inter-order processing workflow from order creation to delivery according to RST. So next is the inventory control. So what is inventory control? Inventory control refers to a company's effort to keep the least amount of inventory possible while also meeting consumer demand. So inventory, a key function of logistics, involves managing stock levels to meet customer demand efficiently and minimize cost. It ensures that the right amount of inventory is available at the right time, preventing shortage and excess stock. Effective inventory control is crucial for order fulfillment, reducing waste, and improving supply chain responsiveness. So next is we have warehousing. Warehousing is a logistics system. Warehousing aspect is concerned with the storage of goods before they are able to be sold. So warehousing is a crucial component of logistics and supply chain management, playing a vital role in the efficient flow of goods. It acts as a central hub for storing, organizing, and managing inventory, ensuring that products are readily available for distribution. Warehouses facilitate the process of receiving, storing, and shipping goods, making them an essential part of the logistics network. So, lastly, we have packaging. Packaging is the cost associated with product packaging, may have an effect on the other elements of the device and vice versa. So, packaging plays a crucial role in logistics by ensuring products arrive at their destination in good condition, facilitating efficient handling and storage, and optimizing transportation. It protects goods from damage during transit and storage, reduces cost, and can even enhance brand communication. Here are the detailed look at the role of packaging in logistics. First is protection. So protection packaging safeguards products from damage during transportation, storage, and handling. This includes protection from impact, vibration, moisture, and temperature fluctuations. So next is efficient handling and storage. So well-designed packaging enables easier handling, stowing, and stacking, maximizing space utilization and reducing cost. So transportation. Proper packaging facilitates efficient transportation by providing information for tracking, sorting, and delivery. Cost reduction. Optimized packaging design can minimize transportation costs and environmental impact. And lastly, brand communication. Packaging can play a role in brand building and communication, influencing customer perceptions and driving sales.
So, I am Mary Jane Nabanes. I am the second reporter. So, my topic is all about the output of logistic system customer service. So, here are the 9 categories of logistic service standards. So, number 1, time from order receipt to order shipment. The time from order receipt to order shipment is the duration it takes from when an order is placed and confirmed to when it is dispatched from delivery. So, example, a customer places an online order for a laptop from an electronics store. So, order receipt. The order is received and confirmed by the store at 11:30 a.m. Order shipment. The order is processed, packaging, and handling over the courier service at 4 p.m. The time from order receipt to shipment is 44.5 hours. This duration reflects how efficiently the store processes and dispatch order. So, number 2, order size and assortment constraints. So, order size and assortment constraints refers to the limitation or rules regarding the quantity and variety of items that can be included in an order. So let's proceed to number 3, the percentage of item out of stock. So the percentage of item out of stock refers the proportion of product in a given inventory that currently unavailable for purchases. So example, the total item in inventory is 500. So the out of stock item is 50. So the percentage of items out of stock is 50 over 500. So from 100% is to equal ko na siya 10%. So let's proceed to number 4, percentage of orders filled accurately. So the percentage of order filled accuracy refers to the proportion of order that are shipped with the correct items, quantities, and specification. So example, the total order process is 200, order filled accuracy is 190. So the percentage of order filled accuracy is 190 over 200. So sa 100%, 95% na lang siya. So the percentage of order, so number 5, the percentage of order filled within a given number of days from receipt of the orders. So the percentage of order filled within a given number of days from receipt of the order refers to the proportion of order that are processed and shipment with a specified time frame. So example, the total order received is 300, order shipment with a 3 days is 270. So the percentage of order filled within a 3 days is 270 over 300. So number 6, the percentage of order filled. The percentage of order filled refers to the proportion of customer order that is successfully processed and shipment compared to the total number of order placed. So example, the total order placed is 500, order filled or shipments for 80. The percentage of order filled is 480 over 500 is equal to 96%. So number 7, the percentage of customer order that arrive in a good condition. So the percentage of customer order that arrive in a good condition refers to the proportion of order delivered without damage or issue compared to the total number of order shipment. So 8, the order cycle time or time from order placed to order delivery. So order cycle time refers to the total time taken from when an order is placed to when it is delivered to the customer. So example, order placement at March 1st at 10 a.m. So order delivery on March 3rd 5 p.m. So order cycle time is 2 days and 7 hours. So the last one is the easy and flexibility of order placement. Easy and flexibility of order placement refers to how simple and convenient it is for a customer to place an order, as well as the option available for customizing or modifying the order. So example, ang easy. Customer can place an order through a website, mobile app, or by phone with a simple checkout process that includes safe payment methods and check order confirmation. So the flexibility, a customer can change the order items or deliver address before shipments, choose for a multiple shipments order, or cancel the order if needed. So these logistics service standards are usually quantified 90% plus order filled to 2 days or order cycle time, and etc. in some fashion, and then the manufacturer actual perform is measured against this standard. So let's proceed to the third standard, percentage of item out of stock or stock out. So it's almost always set in the terms of percent of item order that cannot be filled from inventory, regardless of the particular service provided. The key issue is whether the service offered are target at the real customer needs. So example, a customer order a specific laptop online but it is out of stock, so the retailer offers a similar model or notifies the customer when the original item is back in stock. So this addresses the customer needs for a laptop even if the exact item is not available. So now let's proceed to the 4K area of interface between logistic and channel management. So the channel management and logistic management go together hand in hand to provide effective and efficient distribution. The meshing of channel and managing and logistic management requires good coordination. This especially applies for 4 major areas of interface between channel management and logistic management. So number 1, defining the kind of logistic service standard that a channel member want. So logistic service standard are expectation channel member have for the performance of logistic service, ensure efficient and reliable supply chain operation. So this standard cover key aspects such as delivery speed, accuracy, and cost. So included niya isang delivery time, order accuracy, inventory availability, cost efficiency, flexibility, packaging quality, tracking and visibility, and return management. So let's proceed to number 2, making sure that the proposed logistic program designed by the manufacturer meets the channel member service standard. So ensuring that the manufacturer proposed logistic program meets the channel member service standard involved in aligning the program with the expectation for the delivery time, order accuracy, cost efficiency, and other key logistic factor. So this ensures smooth operation, satisfy all the parties in supply chain. So number 3, selling the channel member on the logistic program. Selling the channel member on the logistic program involves demonstrating how the program will meet their needs, improve efficiency, and provide value such as reducing costs or improving delivery speed. So the last is monitoring the result of the logistic program once it has been instituted. So monitoring the result of the logistic program involves tracking key performance metrics such as delivery time, order accuracy, and cost efficiency to ensure the program meets expectation and improve supply chain performance.
Defining logistic service standards. So defining logistic service standards means setting clear rules or expectations for how your delivery service should work. These standards help you measure how good your service is and make sure everyone on your team knows what to aim for. For example, delivery time. So all deliveries must arrive within 2 hours after the order is placed. Higher service standards from manufacturers generally lead to higher price, making it essential for channel managers to balance performance levels with cost. To set effective logistic service standards, managers must gather feedback from channel participants about their service needs. So, when manufacturers offer really good service, like fast delivery, careful packaging, or flexible returns options, it usually costs them more to do that. Because of this, their prices often go up too. That's why managers who handle how products move from factories to stores, or called channel managers, need to be smart about finding a balance. They want to give good service, but not make it so expensive that no one can afford the product. To do this well, They should talk to the people involved in the process, like wholesalers, retailers, or even sa mga customer, to understand what kind of service is really important to them. Maybe speed matters more than packaging, or maybe it's other way around. By listening to this feedback, managers can set service standards that meet the real needs without wasting money on things that are beyond stock. Menzer and Bird found three key factors. The first one is timeless of deliveries. So timeless of deliveries means that the deliveries are always on time or happen without delay. No matter what, it shows consistency and reliability in getting things delivered when expected. The second one is the availability of products. The availability of products means that the item or products I need are always there when I want to buy them. I don't want to wait or look somewhere else. For example, if I go to the store and they always have my favorite snacks, that shows good product availability. So the third one is the product condition. The product condition means the quality or state of the item when I receive it. If it's new, clean, and not damaged, and works well. For example, if I order a phone and it arrives without scratches and works perfectly, that's a good product condition. Okay, let's proceed to the evaluating the logistic program. Evaluating the logistic program means checking how well the logistic system is working. This includes looking at how we plan, move, store, and deliver goods or services. We do this to find out if everything is going smoothly or if there are problems that need fixing. For example, if our logistic program is used to deliver school supplies to different schools in our area, we would evaluate it by asking, are the supplies arriving on time? Are there missing or damaged items? Are we spending too much on transporting? Are the people receiving the supplies happy with the process? So we can gather data by using surveys, checking delivery records, or talking to people involved. So after that, we analyze what went well and what didn't. So then we make changes or improvements based on the results.
Selling the channel members in a logistic program refers to the process of convincing or persuading channel partners, such as distributors, resellers, or retailers, to fully engage with and adopt a company's logistic program. This involves showcasing the benefits of efficient supply chain management, better inventory handling, faster delivery times, or cost savings. There are three types of Stewart suggests several of appeals to help sell the logistic program to channel members. Manufacturer should emphasize that a new logistic program can foster: first, fewer out-of-stock occurrences; second, reduce channel member inventories; and lastly, increased manufacturer support for channel members. First, minimizing out-of-stock occurrences. By minimizing out-of-stock occurrences through an improved logistic program, sales lost by the channel members will be reduced. Overselling the benefits of the new system to the channel members should be avoided due to some system failing to live up to expected promises. For example, a company might present its logistic program to channel members by highlighting how its advanced inventory management system uses real-time data to predict demand more accurately. This system allows for automated replenishment orders, ensuring that popular items are always stocked in sufficient quantities. By minimizing stockouts, the channel partners can avoid missed sales opportunities and improves customer satisfaction. Second, reducing channel member inventory requirements. A well-designed and responsive logistic program can mean shortened channel member order cycles, which means that they can carry less inventory. Kanban system or just-in-time inventory. The principle of JIT or just-in-time inventory is to have only enough inventory on hand to meet the immediate production requirements with no reserve stock. Example, a company that manufactures automotive parts might use a just-in-time or JIT inventory system to reduce the inventory requirements for its channel members. Example, auto parts distributors and retailers. Instead of requiring distributors to stock large quantities of parts, the manufacturer arranges to deliver parts only when needed, often on an frequent and predictable basis. Lastly, strengthening the manufacturer-channel member relationship. A well-planned logistic program aimed at optimizing support to channel members may be one of the most visible manifestations of the manufacturer's concern for and contribution to the performance of channel members. When delivering a new logistic package to channel participants, the provider should highlight that the program was designed to assist them, channel members, in being more competitive. For example, Apple provides its authorized resellers with exclusive training programs, dedicated sales support, and access to marketing resources to help them effectively sell Apple products. This ensures that the resellers are knowledgeable about the products and can deliver excellent customer service. Additionally, Apple may offer resellers incentives like higher profit margins or promotional allowances for hitting certain sales targets, fostering a stronger, more collaborative relationship. This mutual investment encourages the resellers to prioritize Apple's products.
Monitoring the logistics system. Logistic network must be constantly tracked, both in terms of how well they operate for the producer and equally significant, how well they satisfy the demand of channel member. The channel manager can constantly track the reaction of the channel participant to the logistics software. The most successful method to perform a survey of a representative group of channel participants. The survey should be used as part of the total marketing channel audit. If the survey or evaluation identify area for change or satisfy, the manufacturer must implement this enhancement or fix this specific scent. If channel participant who found outflow in the manufactured logistic program do not see additional charge or effort to modify their satisfaction with the manufactured logistic program continues to decline. If manufactured see logistic is a important part of its overall selling strategy, it's more likely to make this improvement. Evaluation channel member performance. The need to access channel member success is just as critical as evaluating other marketing future. Clearly, the marketing mix is highly interdependent, and the future of one variable will result in the failure of the whole system. With the case of corporate DMS, there is one significant difference. The channel member is concerned with private business companies rather than staff and operation under the channel member jurisdiction, and their ability to adapt is absent. The most common success member criteria used in channel assessment is sales. Sales can further subdivide into actual sales relative to historical sales, sales compared to other channel participants, and sales compared to fixed status.
Good day, ma'am, and good day, everyone. I'm Edelmark Lumanog, and I'm gonna discuss about the 4 factors affecting scope and frequency of evaluation. So, Naiupat to factors affecting scope and frequency of evaluation. So, when we say about scope and frequency of evaluation, it talks about graphical or tabular representation that displays the number of observations within a given interval. So, a frequency distribution visually represents the number of times something is observed and how often it occurs. So, natay upat ka factors affecting scope and frequency of evaluation. So, una, degree of control. Ikaduha is importance of channel member. The third one is nature of the product. And ikaupat is number of the channel members. So, una, let's talk about degree of control. So, degree of control, the level of control a supplier, retailer, or franchisor has over its channel participants has a significant impact on the nature and duration of its assessment. So, a control strategy is meant to make sure that a product of required quality are going to be produced consistently. So, the elements of the control strategy should describe and justify how in-process controls and therefore the controls of input materials like drugs, substances, and excipients, intermediates, container closure system, and drug products contribute to the ultimate product quality. So the second one is the importance of channel members. So, importance of channel members, the assessment of channel participants is likely to be much more rigorous for the producer who sells all of its production by intermediaries than for the manufacturer who relies less on intermediaries. So, when both pasabot is channel members are crucial in distribution because they act as intermediaries, meaning facilitating the movement of products from producers to consumers, and they play a significant role in various aspects of the distribution process. They streamline the process, making it more efficient and effective. And the number 3 o ikatulo is the nature of the product. In general, the greater the complexity of the product, the larger the field of measurement, and vice versa. A channel member handling an expensive and complex machine tool requiring a high degree of after-sales service is likely to be scrutinized by the manufacturer over a much broader range of criteria related to ultimate target. So, the nature of a product refers to its fundamental characteristics, classification, and attributes. This includes whether it's tangible, either physical or intangible, to its service, its durability, how it's consumed, and its overall purpose. Essentially, it describes what the product is in terms of its physical and functional properties. So, let's move on to the fourth one. So, ang last na factor is number of channel members. So, number of channel members for a retailer that uses extensive distribution channel participant appraisal can be as simply as a cursory once over lightly glance at current revenues statistics. So, meaning to say, the number of channel members in distribution channels refers to the total number of intermediaries involved in moving a product or service from the manufacturer to the end consumer. These intermediaries can include wholesalers, retailers, distributors, agents, or even online platforms. Channel length can be short, fewer intermediaries, or long or intermediaries depending on the chosen distribution strategy.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Gisabel Pilapot and I will be discussing Channel Member Performance Audit. What is Channel Member Performance Audit? A Channel Member Performance Audit is a structured and periodic evaluation of the performance of channel participants such as wholesalers, distributors, and retailers. This audit helps companies assess how well their channel members are performing in terms of sales, customer service, inventory management, and other key metrics. This also helps producers ensure that their products are reaching customers efficiently and all the channel members are contributing to the success of the supply chain. There are three phases of channel members audit. First, developing criteria for measuring channel member performances. Before evaluating channel members, companies must establish a set of criteria that will be used to measure performance. These criteria should be clear, measurable, and relevant to the company's goals. Second, periodically evaluating the channel members' performance against the criteria. Once the criteria are set, companies conduct periodic assessment to compare actual performance against expected benchmark. Third, recommending corrective actions to reduce the number of inadequate performances. If any channel members do not meet performance expectations, corrective actions are suggested. This may include training programs, renegotiation of terms, or even replacement of underperforming members. Developing criteria. There are many possible criteria for measuring channel members' performance can be used. Below are the most common criteria used by producers to evaluate the efficiency of channel members. First, sales performance of channel members. This is the most crucial metric in evaluating channel members. Companies assess the total sales volume achieved by the channel member over a given period. Second, inventory maintained by channel members. Ensuring the channel members maintain adequate stock levels is crucial for smooth supply chain operations. Third, selling capabilities of channel members. This refers to the ability of channel members to effectively sell products. It includes their knowledge of the product, sales techniques, and ability to convert potential buyers into customers. Fourth, customer service and technical support capabilities of channel members. Manufacturers evaluate how well their channel members assist customers with their product-related issues. Fifth, attitudes of channel members. This refers to the enthusiasm, commitment, and willingness of channel members to actively promote the producer's product. Positive attitudes lead to better collaboration and improved sales performance. 6. Competition of channel members. A channel member should be able to compete well in the market. Sometimes, channel members compete against one another in the market, which can impact pricing and profitability. 7. General growth prospect of the channel members. A channel member should have the ability to expand their business. This involves evaluating a long-term potential of a channel member. Growth indicators includes expansion plans, financial stability, and ability to adapt market changes. Sales performance is without a doubt the most critical and widely used metric for assessing channel participant results. Indeed, if the channel member's sales success is inadequate, nothing else counts. When analyzing channel member sales results, the channel manager should be careful to differentiate between vendor sales to channel members and channel member sales of producer goods to customers. Inventory maintenance. A channel member must keep the right amount of inventory, not too much or too little. This is often agreed upon in a formal contract between the manufacturer and the channel member.
Selling capabilities. Overall sales success by channel partners provide a general understanding of their sales capabilities. Manufacturers also feels that it is worthwhile to personally assist channel participant distribution capabilities by evaluating their salespeople. Example is effective selling relies on combination of soft skills and specific techniques. Case skills include active listening, building relationship, product knowledge, communication, negotiation, and problem solving. Additionally, skills like empathy, time management, and ability to handle objection are crucial for success in sales. Second is customer service and technical support capabilities. Channel members whose customer needs high level of consumer service and or technical support channel members' ability to deliver whose capabilities may be a critical evaluative criterion. Customer service and technical support capabilities are crucial for ensuring high-quality assistance to customers. There are 10 key aspects included. First is communication skills. Clear and empathetic communication when it comes to customer service and technical support. Second is product knowledge and deep understanding of the product or service. Third is problem-solving skills, efficient diagnosis. Fourth is patience and empathy, handling customers' frustration calmly. Fifth is adaptability, adjusting approach based on different situations. Sixth is technical proficiency, strong technique, skills, and tools efficiency. 7 is documentation, accurate record keeping of interaction. 8 is time management, promptly addressing customer inquiries. 9 is conflict resolution, turning negative interaction into positive outcome. 10 is continuous learning, staying updated with new practice and technologies. Attitudes of channel members. The perception of channel participants toward a retailer and its product range cannot be overlooked as a criterion that will potentially impact sales efficiency. Unfortunately, whatever a channel member's sales success is poor, their behavior are seldom assessed. Example is the attitude of channel member is distribution channel comprising manufacturer, wholesaler, retailer, and customers. Significantly impact the effectiveness of the distribution process. Example is first is trust, essential for reliable interaction and build over time through consistency. Second is communication, crucial for preventing misunderstanding and aligning goals. Third is coordination, ensure efficient and aligned function within the channel. Fourth is conflict resolution, important for maintaining positive relationship and smooth operation. Fifth is value addition, recognizing each member contribution foster cooperation. Sixth is power dynamics, understanding influence and control can affect interaction. 7 is cultural fit, respect a cultural differences, enhance mutual cooperation. 8 is incentives and reward, encourage desired behavior and motivate collaboration. Competition. In competition, the channel manager should consider two types of competition when evaluating channel members' performance. First is competition for other intermediaries as well as competition from others' product line borne by the manufacturer-owned channel participant. General growth prospect. This final criterion focus on the future prospect for channel members' performance. This will provide useful information of formulating realistic objective for coming years, particularly for projecting the roles of channel members and company future marketing strategies. General growth prospect refers to a potential for expansion and development in various areas such as business, economy, or personal career. There are 5 key factors of general growth prospect. First is market demand, identifying the meeting and needs of consumer or client. Second is innovation, introducing new product, service, or processes. Third is strategic planning, setting clear goals and actionable plans. Fourth is financial management, ensuring sufficient fundings and resource allocation. Fifth is trade analysis, adapting to industry trends and change in the market. Aside from the 7 parameters discussed above for assessing channels efficiency. First is financial status of channels members. Second is characters and reputation. Third is quality of service offered by channel members of their customers. Fourth is the physical facilities of channel members. The last one is channel member satisfaction.
Financial status. The financial status of channels members is generally closely considered in channels members selections, and if channels members have been paying the bills on time. Financial status can impact the various aspects of your life or something else to help with financial guidance or resources. Character and reputations. Before channels participants are choosing their character and integrity are generally carefully considered. However, change how in operational policies of channels members. Character reputations are aspects of personal and professional life. They have others perceive and interact with you. Quality of service offered. Channels members' revenue success individually in the level of services have in their quality is. Quality of service refers to the level of excellence of satisfactions of customer experiences with interacting with a services provider, and that's all. Thank you.